Hey everyone, I just got my June 2016 YarnBox Classic shipment. And what is really awesome about this shipment is open up so you can see a beautiful yarn. This is the first shipment where a loom knit pattern was offered with it. So I'm extremely excited about that because I was one who has actually had the opportunity to write the pattern. First, we're going to talk about the yarn, then I'll talk about the pattern. It's Dragonfly Fibers. This one is red maple. It's 475 yards, and you get 2 hanks of this stuff. And this red maple is absolutely beautiful. Now the patterns, there's actually 2. There's enough yarn to make both patterns and then have leftover. The first one is a shawl. And this was made out of a different color. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it does mention it in the PDF. Try to hold it up so you can see just some of the texture and the drape to it. This is actually a really fun project to work on. In the second pattern, I have misplaced the other one, but I also did a pair of socks. I think I even had enough yarn left over when I was done with both patterns. I could have done a second pair of socks. So there's a lot of yarn that comes with this. And these patterns were both done on knitting looms. I used both of them. I used Cindywood looms. Of course, I used a sock loom for the sock, and then I did a bigger round loom for the shawl. But of course, if you are interested in the loom knit patterns, if you had ordered the classic shipment, you can get on the YarnBox website and you will be able to pull up those patterns and download those for free. If not, there are direct links in the description below to where you could purchase either one of those patterns. But I'm just so excited because YarnBox was really the first company that would even listen to me about loom patterns, because there's a lot of us out there, and if you're a loom knitter, you know what it's like. There's a lot of us out there. There's not a whole lot of resources. We aren't really, there are resources out there, but we don't have a whole organization just setting the standard for us like there are with needle knitting, crochet, and even machine knitting. So we are the ones out there ourselves writing patterns, doing videos, and trying to make this whole environment where we can get together and online and share patterns and help each other out. And that's something I'm actually really happy that I can be a part of. As you can see, the shawl I made, which the shawl, if you want to make it bigger, you can actually use more pegs on a loom. And of course, you guys know, if there's any questions or concerns with your pattern, just email me. My email's in the description below as well. And of course, both patterns do come with full videos, which you can find both of them individually on my YouTube channel. And of course, they will be in the description below. I am so excited about this color. I had no clue. If somebody does this shawl out of the red maple, please send me a picture of it. I really want to see what it will look like, because I am hoping the collar, see how this one has the brown and with the gray? I'm really hoping the red, the different colors in the red will show up like that. Oh, it is so pretty, and I have no clue what I'm going to make out of it. And it feels nice. I think it's superwash. It's 100% superwash merino. As you can see, this has been very humid upstairs, so this has started to curl some on me, but reblocking simple. You just moisten it, get it wet, lay it flat, let it dry. And you can see just the different texture you get when you do use the yarn for something more tight knit like socks too. I am so excited. Okay, everybody, I really wanted to show off my yarn and tell you guys about the patterns. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. I am so incredibly excited about this. It's kind of a big deal to me. I hope you guys enjoy as well. And thank you everybody who subscribes to my channel. all the wonderful comments I get and the questions, and just thank you everybody so much, because if it wasn't for my following, and if it wasn't for yarn support from places like YarnBox, you know, a lot of the stuff I wouldn't be able to bring to you guys. So thank you Cindywood, thank you YarnBox, thank you my subscribers, thank you everyone, and I really hope you guys enjoy the patterns.